My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2013 Audi A3 S-Line. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can get access to tone, radio, media, navigation, telephone and car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it has parking sensors. And as we go into the back, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.